Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotech and Automation. Today we are going to make smoke and LPG gas detector with MQ2 sensor. If MQ2 sensor detect LPG leakage or smoke, then a buzzer will start. Let us see step by step. This is schematic diagram. Here I am using one Arduino Nano, one LCD with I2C module and one MQ2 sensor and one buzzer. This is MQ2 sensor. Here it is printing MQ7 because I have no library infringing, so I am using here MQ27, but in real time I am using MQ2 because pin is same, so there is no difference between MQ2 and MQ7 physically. Technically difference, but there is no difference physically. SDA and SCL pin of LCD is connected to A4 and A5, and this is digital pin of sensor is connected to 7 pin of Arduino Nano, and this is analog pin output. Analog out of sensor is connected to A0 pin, and this is buzzer. Buzzer is connected to 10 pin of Arduino Nano. So I hope you understood this. Now we will see Arduino programming. This is code. Here I am using LCD liquid underscore I2C library. It is for display, LCD display, and this is LCD object, and here is some variable. Buzzer is connected on 10th pin, and output of sensor is connected to A0 pin, and this is gas. It means digital pin is connected on 7 pin, and it is LED indicator 13 number pin. This is threshold value 650 of sensor. So this is simple thing. This is analog read. It will read of sensor analog pin and store in analog sensor. If analog sensor greater than threshold sensor, it means 650. If analog sensor value will be greater than threshold value means 650, then it will print on LCD warning, smoke warning, and LCD and buzzer also will start. And if it is not greater than threshold value, then here it will print no, means there is no smoke. Okay, and in this case digital, if digital pin is high, it means there is no LPG gas, and that time buzzer will turn off, and if it is low, then there is print yes, mean it is detected LPG gas, and that time buzzer will also start. So I hope you understood this. Code is very simple. So now we will upload the code on board. Just check board. Board is Arduino Nano, and this is correct. Comport is correct. Now I will compile and upload. Okay, compiling done successfully. Now I will keep here LPG gas of lighter. See, buzzer is started. Buzzer is turned off, and again if I will keep here LPG, wow, if I will keep here smoke, here it is printing warning. I will keep again. It is working good. So friends, it is very simple project. I hope you understood very well. If you have any doubts, you can ask question in comment box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment and share. And I have a request, if you really like my video and my work, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal and Patreon ID is given in description box. Thanks for watching.